Okay, ready to learn how to eat sushi. The traditional way, here's what you'll do. Receive your plate of sushi from the chef or waitress. Put a small amount of soy sauce in a bowl or on your plate. Dip a piece of sushi into the soy sauce. If you want extra spice, use your chopsticks to brush a little bit more wasabi onto the sushi. Eat the sushi. Smaller pieces like nigiri and sashimi should be eaten in one bite. But larger American-style rolls may need to be eaten in 2 or more bites. Chew the sushi completely, allowing the flavor to coat the inside of your mouth. If you're drinking sake along with your sushi, now is a good time to take a sip. Take a piece of pickled ginger from your plate and eat it. You can do this in between each roll or each bite. This helps clear your palate and removes the lingering flavor of your sushi roll. Rinse and repeat until you're too stuffed to move or you run out of sushi. That's it. These are the basic rules for eating sushi. Again, you don't have to follow these rules if you don't want to. Nobody will judge you for eating sushi your own way. However, these guidelines do help you maximize the flavor of your meal. And they are traditional. And it's fun to follow tradition, especially when eating a dish with a history as long as sushi. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.